We are Pass and Go Driving School, and we're here to prepare you to become a driving instructor. ADI Part 3 workshops are a great way to connect with other PDIs and trainers. It is beneficial to your training to converse with like-minded individuals, sharing your experiences, receiving feedback and developing your skill set. The ADI Part 3 workshop take place bi-monthly and are scheduled 1 year in advance. They're hosted online to ensure easy access. We have observed a positive correlation between trainees who have participated in our workshops and their likelihood of success on the Part 3 test. For more information, you can visit our website or contact us at findyourhappy@passandgo.net. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.